Hello student, today you have to write the question number E, long answer type question. Okay, and in this chapter you have to do only two detailed question answer. Okay, question number 1, why did the British preserve means to safely reserve, okay, official documents. And next, why did they undertake surveying and mapping on a large scale? And here is your answer. British preserved official documents because they believed that every instruction, plan, policy, decision, agreement and investigation had to be clearly written. Okay, this recording was considered very important, and so there emerged an administrative culture of preparing documents for internal communication and reports. Okay, it means that the official records tell us what the administrator thought, what they were interested in, and what they wished to record as history for future. From these sources, we cannot understand the thought of tribals, common peasant, workers in the mines, or the poor in the streets. But you know that this time we can know each and everything what is happening surrounding ours because of our technology communication. Okay, come to the next part of this question. They undertake surveying and mapping on a large scale because they believe that survey would enable them to effectively administer the country and know the people better. It means that these mapping and surveying, this purpose was to know the topography, soil, quality, plants and animals of different localities, besides their histories and cropping patterns. Okay, these help means mapping and surveying help the British official prepare detailed records of the number of the people in all the provinces of India. Okay, understand? And come to the next question. How important are dates in history? And here is your answer. Time in history is measured a system of date. We must know that a date becomes important if the event associated with it is significant. Significant means important in some way for us. Okay, the choice of dates in history has always been subjective, depending on what issues the historian wanted to focus on. What slant means important, to give important, he wants to give on issue. It means that time it's totally depend on historian what they want to give importance on issue and what they don't want to give any importance on issues. Okay, it's totally depend on historian. Therefore, history is measured through a conventional system Conventional means traditional system. Conventional means traditional of dates. And the importance of dates is that they allow student to order past events and processes in terms of sequence and duration. Okay, thank you. Here is your homework. Do question number E 1 and 2 in fair copy. Okay.